All right, mathematicians, let's warm up our brain. Put the number 5 in your head. Now take away 1. Did you say 4? Good. Now add 2. 6. Now take away 1. We're back at 5. All right, our number story today. Brooke had some marbles. She gave Joe 19 marbles. Now she has 16 marbles left. How many marbles did Brooke start with? This number story is different than the ones we've worked on in the past. This story shows a change, and I think it shows a change to less. So we're going to use a different type of organizer called a change diagram to solve this type of problem. So Brooke had some marbles. She gave Joe 19 marbles. Now she has 16 marbles. How many marbles did Brooke start with? All right, so we're trying to find out how many marbles Brooke started with. So I'm going to put my question mark here. She gave Joe 19 marbles. Now she has 16 marbles left. How many marbles did Brooke start with? The first thing I want to do is estimate so I know how large or small my answer is going to be. So I don't know how many marbles Brooke started with, but she gave Joe about 20 of them. And now she has 16, which is about 20 as well. What minus 20 gives me 20? Well, I'm better at addition than subtraction, so I can make up the related fact. 20 plus 20 gives me what? 40. So Brooke started with about 40 marbles. Let's find out. All right, so I'm going to do an open number line. Brooke had some marbles. She gave Joe 19, and now she has 16 left. So let's represent her 16 right here. And she gave Joe 19 marbles. So I'm going to do friendly jumps until I've jumped 19 times. All right, so I can do 10 in my head. So I'm going to jump 10. 16 plus 10 is 26. And then I have the 9. I think I'm going to have to chunk that 9 into friendly parts. Let me try to get to a benchmark 30. 27, 28, 29, 30. So I can jump 4. All right, and then 9 minus 4 is 5. So I'll do a friendly jump of 5. 30 plus 5 gives me 35. That means Brooke started with 35 marbles. How many marbles did Brooke start with? Brooke started with 35 marbles. 35 to the nearest 10. It's between the 10s 30 and 40. It's right there in the middle, so I go to the higher benchmark 40. So my answer makes sense. 35, the change is minus 19, and Brooke was left with 16 marbles. Can you think of